I would love to introduce you to a founder member of Friends of Pink Ribbon, Tehseen Welji. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Thank you, Risha, for having me.
You're my Japan buddy as well, so I'm really happy to see you as well. अच्छा, so Tehseen, आज हम लोग basically breast cancer awareness के बारे में बात करेंगे. And now that we're speaking about it, I'd love to tell the audience a little bit of stats and then I'll ask you some questions. आपको पता है 10 मिलियन लोग breast cancer से affect होते हैं और 40,000 औरतों की इस disease की वजह से death होती है. And अब हम लोग relief देने के लिए poor families को Pink Ribbon ने set up किया है पाकिस्तान का first dedicated breast cancer hospital और Pink Ribbon Breast Cancer Trust Hospital, जहाँ पे deserving patients को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगा अंडर वन रूफ. और किस तरीके से ये होता है, ज़कात, सदका या डोनेशंस, इनका मिशन यही है, दे वांट टू सेव प्रेशियस लाइव्स, राइट. और एक आपको पता है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर जो है वो औरतों और मर्दों दोनों को होता है. दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू लेट यू गाइज नो एज वेल. अगर आप जाके चेकअप कराना चाह रहे हैं, यू विल गेट अ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट अंडर वन रूफ. सो लेट्स हियर मोर अबाउट इट. Now, Tehseen, what inspired you to basically become a founding member of Friends of Pink Ribbon?
I've been associated with education, so I was part of TCF and then a part of DIL. These are different NGOs running schools. But when I heard about Pink Ribbon, the Karachi chapter being formed, and I saw some of my very close friends who were in their early 40s and were detected with breast cancer. So I thought, this was close to I saw their treatment, how they were cured, and I was really taken by it. So I thought that this was a good opportunity for me to give back, to see, and because Pink Ribbon Hospital is not only about healthcare, it's also about awareness.
Of course.
So when you see a loved one going, you realize how important it is, how close it is to your heart.
Absolutely. And families actually get broken when the mums are not well and when the sisters are not well, because they're the glue holding the family together,
absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
Achha, so what is free diagnosis and treatment under one roof?
If you come, first of all, I'll just give you a background.
Sure.
In Pakistan, people do not, this is one type of cancer which can be detected by self-examination. Okay, we always talk about it. You can examine yourself after your period and self-examine, see the your breast, if there's something irregular in it, something different, you should, that's early detection. You can be on stage 1 or even stage half and seek help. Problem in Pakistan is that we do not seek help timely and we don't have enough adequate resources available, free treatment available. So Pink Ribbon Hospital is providing free treatment, diagnosis, pathology tests, mammogram, which is very expensive. If you go to a normal hospital, it's not less than 30,000–40,000 for a mammogram. That's free of cost. And if surgery is required, it's also done free of cost. Now, there are certain tests which I would like to pinpoint here. It's called BRCA1, BRCA2. These tests detect. Now, if I have, God forbid, breast cancer, then my sister or my daughter can get these tests done to detect if they are carrying those genes.
Oh, it's a genes test. How interesting is that?
If you have a family member who has been detected, so the other family members should go and get these tests done, and that is also done free of cost. Again, in Pakistan, if I go in Karachi where I am, these are expensive tests.
Of course.
So for a person who cannot afford it, in Lahore, this hospital is there, everything. So even one member of the family is detected, the entire family can, undergo these tests to detect if they are carrying those genes.
That's amazing. So, अगर ये BRCA1, BRCA2 से अगर हम अपनी genes check, अगर हम ये check कर ले, if we carrying it, so can we take precaution beforehand?
Absolutely, absolutely. These are genes. And then you will see. Everybody has cancer cells, but they are passive in nature. So, they I think feed on sugar. So, a lot of people who have been detected and have been now free of cancer, they say we avoid sugar, there's wheat we avoid. So, certain things you can have dietary control and avoid all these things.
Avoid all of these things, got it. So, almost 10 million Pakistani औरतें are at a risk of breast cancer. हमारे numbers इतने alarmingly high क्यों हैं?
Everybody asks the same question because if we compare to India, which is right our neighbor,
Yeah.
the socio-economic status is the same approximately. But they don't eat meat. Okay.
They don't
eat meat.
Meat, yes.
So we are meat eaters.
Yes.
Women undergo through the same emotional pressures what women go through.
Definitely.
So it's the eating habits, lack of exercise. You know, women now are exercising, the educated one, but the people who are under that you know, I would say, not the uneducated,
underprivileged
people, they don't have that. You know, these people are kept at home. The women do not go out, so they are not exposed. They don't know what physical exercise is all about. So they can avoid all that.
Actually ये disease curable है और हम लोग अक्सर बात करते रह जाते हैं. Like आप मुझे अभी बता रही थी कि a friend of yours was going to Japan. और वो रोज़मर्रा की नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी जीते जीते उसको एकदम से पता चला. So tell us.
Yeah, Rija, we were actually, Rija and myself in Japan last month, and these 3 friends who are also my friends were going, and they were asking what, you know, all details. And when I returned about 3 weeks back, and I said, you're all set? Yes. But one of them has been detected with breast cancer, so she is not going. The 2 are going. And what happened? Apparently, she went to see a friend at the hospital who was undergoing treatment. And she said, you know, I never realized that. Why don't you also get your mammogram done? So she said, okay, because of my friend, she went for a mammogram and she was detected. She had a lump out there. So it's all a matter of early detection. And you can self-check every month if you see something which I've already mentioned. So you can check and detect it. It's curable. No one should die of breast cancer.
And you know, Taseen, what's very interesting is the fact that wo by the way he gayi and by the way he checked
and she was all
and she had no idea.
She had no idea. She just went because her friend said, no, you should also, all of you should go. So she said, okay, I'll just go, you know, it's just time. And imagine, her whole trip was cancelled.
But ये हमें बड़ा अच्छा एक मैसेज देता है कि आप लोग प्लीज़ लाइटली नहीं लें. हम लोग बात करते रहते हैं और वो बीमारी इतने करीब आ जाती है, फिर हम बाद में बोलते हैं हाँ मैं चेक ही करा लेती, right? So let's not live in that, you know, confusion. अच्छा तो you know Pink Ribbon Hospital कुछ services भी offer करता है which are absolutely free of cost. I'd love it if you can tell our audience.
Yeah, Pink Ribbon Hospital has started almost 10 years ago.
Okay.
We were part of it since 7-8 years, and they have come. Mr. Omar, he's the CEO of Pink Ribbon Hospital. It's his brainchild. His mother died of breast cancer, so it was his mission to do something. Now this hospital is functioning entirely on charity donation, and they provide end-to-end service, which means if you come with a possibility of breast cancer, they will check you. Earlier, it's a physical examination. After that, there's a mammogram.
Okay.
And then whatever tests are required, everything is done free of cost. In fact, even a surgery is required, it is done free of cost.
How incredible is that? And what is the eligibility criteria?
Anybody. Any and everybody, and there's no expense out there. Everything is free, completely free.
Wow.
So it is run on charity completely. So anybody who wants to donate something, we will be you know, showing you the website, and you can easily donate.
Yeah, and guys, I think नीचे हमारी website चल रही है pinkribbons.org.pk. Please feel free to make a donation if you need to, because ये curable disease है, और आप इसको please avoid नहीं करें, ignore नहीं करें. हम लोगों ने कितने patients already treat कर दिए हैं?
हमने 20,000 patients we've been treated.
Wow.
And we have a capacity for even double the number.
How interesting
is that? It's actually, Rija, just to mention here, there's a stigma. Women don't want to mention this. Even if they notice something different, they will not reach out for help. And there are not adequate services available, free of cost.
Yeah.
So women ignore themselves. They will look after the children, their husbands. They keep themselves.
अपने आप को priority
बिल्कुल नहीं देते.
So Taseen, what are some of the first early warning signs कि आपको breast cancer है या हो सकता है?
Warning signs are there is something different in your breast.
Okay.
A lot of women who are lactating, who are feeding them, have also noticed. A friend of mine, I won't say an acquaintance of mine, she's a teacher, वो 8 months pregnant थी, and suddenly she found something different. She went to a doctor. उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, ये तो lump है. Mammogram हुआ, पता चला कि breast cancer. Now the baby is still a month out. So they couldn't do some treatments they could not do because she was 8 months pregnant. And when I met her recently, the baby is 12 years old.
Oh, mashallah.
She said 1 month, but she said my doctor was so good कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल आराम से प्रेगनेंसी 1 महीना निकली, बेबी हुआ. देन आई वेंट थ्रू, फिर मैंने अपनी वो सर्जरी करवाई जो करवाना था, एंड आई एम कैंसर फ्री. सो नोबडी,
व्हाट अ फाइटर, व्हाट अ
फाइटर. शी सेड माय एंड आई एम बैक टू वर्क. सो आई हैव 2 very close friends who were detected around the age of 40, 42. They are now 60. That was 20 years ago.
Wow.
They are 62 and they have a normal life. They go summiting also. They are trekkers.
Wow.
So it's all behind them.
How amazing is that? And I think हमें कितना अच्छा मैसेज इससे मिलता है कि you know अपनी होप ना हारें आप.
हाँ, hope
It's a curable disease.
But it's
और घबराएं भी नहीं about.
इसको इग्नोर ना करें. कोई भी चीज़ है, मैमोग्राम करा ले, हो सकता है it's a false alarm.
Yeah,
ठीक है?
of course.
So but it's worth going through the mammogram.
So you know, Tehseen, tell me something. अगर हम लोग बहुत देर से find out करें कि हमें है, let's say हमें 3rd stage में पता चल रहा है, तो क्या उस वक्त भी हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
अच्छा, उसके लिए ये होता है कि आप देयर इज थेरेपी, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू कीमोथेरेपी, वो एंड देन उसके बाद they shrink the size of the tumor, and they can then take it out depending on what stage you are in. Now, बहुत दफ़ा ये होता है, if it's a very late stage, then it has spread to other parts of your body, then it's a little difficult. So that is why early detection पे हम बहुत जोर देते हैं कि आप चेक करते हैं, और something ये नहीं कि आपको every time test कराने जाना है, आप खुद ही सेल्फ एग्जामिन.
एंड सेल्फ एग्जामिन तो हम किसी उम्र में भी कर सकते हैं, बट मेमोग्राम हम 40 साल की उम्र के बाद करते हैं.
यस, अगर आप सेल्फ एग्जामिन तो आफ्टर 17, 18 यू शुड डू. ठीक है, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव इट इन योर जीन्स, इफ यू नो कि योर मदर साइड ऑफ द फैमिली, अगर मदर, खाला, नानी किसी को है तो आप करें एग्जामिन. यू नो, यू कैन हैव दोज जीन्स.
ठीक है. एंड अच्छा तहसीन, इफ़ आई हैड टू आस्क यू फॉर अ लास्ट मैसेज, जो आपके अपनी लर्निंग से, अपने एक्सपीरियंस से, दोस्तों से, फ्रॉम योर सोशल सर्कल, या जनरली जो आपने सीखा है, देखा है, समझा है, आप ऑडियंस को कौन सा एक लास्ट ऐसा मैसेज दे सकती हो टू नॉट अवॉइड देयर हेल्थ, और व्हाट इज इट दैट दे कैन डू टू मेक अ डिफरेंस?
आई थिंक
एंड देयर फैमिलीज आल्सो.
And their families, I think women should look after themselves. ठीक है, ये नहीं कि बच्चों की सेहत को देखो, बच्चों का अगर पैसे कम हैं, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज हैं, तो अपने आप को भी चेक करो. या मैं तो कहती हूँ, अगर एक औरत, if she dies, the whole household is affected. The बच्चे, husband, mother-in-law, mother, parents, sibling, so many people are affected by this one woman. So it is so important that everybody looks after themselves. If she's looking after so many people, she has a right to look after her own self.
Absolutely, that's a lovely message. I don't think I need to add anything further. Tehseen, thank you so much for being here.